Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on Plum's green tea skincare range. So this green tea range from Plum is actually recommended for oily, acne prone and combination skin because all the products in this green tea range contains green tea extracts which helps in controlling your acne, and it also suits your skin. Green tea is a very good antioxidant as well, so it will also help in leaving your skin looking very glowy, fresh looking, and it will provide a very good nourishment as well to the skin. So Plum has a wide range of products in their green tea range, and recently they launched this a new product in their green tea range. This is their green tea gentle revival face scrub. So this is how this scrub looks like. So I have most of the products from this green tea range of Plum, and I was trying these products from quite some time. Actually, I was following a proper skincare routine using all these products from their green tea range. So I'll be sharing my review about all these products in today's video based on my experience with all these products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. Combination skin and my T-zone is little oily, and this range from Plum, this green tea range from Plum is actually recommended for combination oily and acne prone skin. So I was using all these products in my nighttime skincare routine. So the first product I have is this face wash. This is their green tea pore cleansing face wash. It comes in this kind of cardboard packaging, and all the details are mentioned on this packaging. You will find everything mentioned here. So they have mentioned everything about this product on the outer packaging, like how you need to use it, the ingredient list, and price, expiry details, and everything is mentioned on this outer packaging. And they have also mentioned that this product is 100% vegan and cruelty free. Actually, Plum is 100% vegan and cruelty free brand, which is a very good thing about this brand. So this face wash retails for 345 rupees, and you get 75 ml of product in this. And let me show you how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks from inside, and all the details are mentioned here. Everything whatever is mentioned on the outer packaging is mentioned in the inner packaging as well. And this is a very good thing. You get all the details on the inner packaging as well. So it comes in this kind of tube form with a flip-flop cap, you can see. So it's very easy to take out the product, and this is a very travel friendly. So this is how the consistency of this face wash is. It's a gel based face wash, and as you can see, it has this very small exfoliating particles as well in it. It's a foaming face wash, and it foams up quite well. It's very gentle on the skin, and it doesn't dry up your skin like sometimes क्या होता है ना, कुछ face wash आपकी skin को बहुत ज़्यादा dry कर देते हैं, especially foaming face wash. But since it's a gel based face wash and it doesn't doesn't create a lot of foam, so आपके face को बहुत ज़्यादा dry नहीं करेगा, but it cleans your face really well. It removes any kind of oil or dirt on the skin, and it leaves the skin really clean. It's a very good face wash, and you don't need a lot of product of this face wash. You need a very tiny amount. It contains a very mild fragrance of green tea, which is not at all bothering. मुझे strong smells, strong fragrances बिल्कुल भी सूट नहीं करती है, but this fragrance what is present in this whole range, actually ये जो पूरी ही ग्रीन टी की रेंज है प्लम की, सारे प्रोडक्ट्स में आपको सिमिलर सी फ्रेग्रेंस मिलेगी, बट दिस फ्रेग्रेंस इज नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, इट्स वेरी माइल्ड, सो इट डजंट बॉदर मी एट ऑल, एंड it feels very fresh. Like whenever you use these products, you will feel your skin will feel very fresh and very nourished. This face wash also contains small exfoliating particles as well. ग्रीन कलर के बहुत छोटे छोटे से एक्सफोलिएटिंग पार्टिकल्स प्रेजेंट है इस फेस वॉश में. सो ये आपके फेस को बहुत जेंटली एक्सफोलिएट भी करता है, एंड दीज पार्टिकल्स आर नॉट एट ऑल हार्श ऑन योर स्किन. बहुत ही जेंटली एक्सफोलिएट भी करता है आपके फेस को, एंड क्लीन भी कर देता है बहुत अच्छे से. तो since this face wash contains glycolic acid and those small exfoliating particles, I don't use this face wash on a regular basis. I don't use it every day. I use this face wash alternate days in my skincare routine. It's very important to exfoliate your face. If you don't exfoliate your face on a regular basis, your pores will get clogged over time, and that will result into blackheads, whiteheads and acne. So make sure to include an exfoliator into your skincare regime. Now you don't need to exfoliate your face on a daily basis. Don't exfoliate your face every day. You need to exfoliate your face once a week or twice a week. That is actually enough. So the next product I have from this green tea range of Plum is a face scrub, which is an exfoliator. This is their green tea gentle revival face scrub. So this is how the outer packaging of this product looks like, and again all the details are mentioned on this packaging. Everything, ingredient list and directions and everything is mentioned on the outer packaging. So the outer packaging of all the products in this green tea range is quite similar. पूरे ही सारे products की काफ़ी similar सी outer packaging, and I really like the outer packaging. Actually, it's very simple and elegant. It looks so beautiful as well, and you get all the information you need to know about this product on the outer packaging itself, which is a very good thing. So this scrub retails for 395 rupees, and you get 75 gram of product in this. So this is how the inner packaging of this scrub looks like. It also comes in this tube kind of packaging, and again all the details are mentioned on the back of it. So this also comes in this squeezy tube packaging with a flip-flop cap. So again, it's very easy to rake out the product, and again it's a very travel friendly packaging. So this scrub also has a gel kind of consistency. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is how the scrub looks like. It has a very nice gel kind of consistency, and you can see this has this scrubbing particles, very small even size scrubbing particles. So these scrubbing particles are very small in size, so it's not at all harsh on your face, and it actually exfoliates your face really gently. So to use this scrub, you need to first wet your face and then just take a small amount of this scrub. You actually don't need a lot of product. A small amount of this product is enough. So just take a small amount of this product and then gently exfoliate your face. So the cellulose beads and walnut granules present in this scrub gently exfoliates your skin. It is not at all harsh on your skin. बिल्कुल भी harsh नहीं है, and बहुत ही अच्छे से बहुत gently आपके face को scrub करता है. So whenever I use this scrub, it feels really fresh and my face looks really clean, and it actually helps in properly cleaning up the pores, and इसके अंदर glycolic acid भी present है, so that also chemically exfoliates the face and it will remove any kind of dead skin cells on the face, और बहुत ही अच्छा सा एक brightening and glowing effect provide करता है skin को. So you can use this scrub as well once a week or twice a week in your skincare routine. Now the next product I have is this toner. The special thing about this toner is that it's a alcohol free toner, and it comes in this kind of packaging, and again like the other products, all the details are mentioned on the back of it. This toner retails for 390 rupees, and you get 200 ml of product in this. There are two ways to use this toner. You can either take the toner on some cotton pad, just take few drops of the toner on the cotton pad and just swipe the toner using this that cotton pad all over your face. So it will clean your face. अगर आपके face पे कोई भी dirt still present है, so it will clean your face really well, and it will provide the hydration as well. Or you can use you can take the toner on your palm. That's how actually I like to use it. I take few drops of this toner on my palm, and then I just pat the toner all over the face. Actually I think कि that's how it works better. जब भी आप पैट करते हैं ना इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट्स को, स्पेशली टोनर्स को, तो इट वर्क्स बेटर, बहुत अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन के अंदर, एंड इट गिव्स यू बेटर इफेक्ट. दैट्स हाउ आई लाइक टू यूज माई टोनर्स. बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दिस टोनर इज दैट इट्स एन अल्कोहल फ्री टोनर. सो अल्कोहल कैन बी इरिटेटिंग फॉर योर स्किन समटाइम्स. कई बार अल्कोहल से रेडनेस हो जाती है फेस पे और आपकी स्किन को इरिटेट कर सकता है अल्कोहल, बट दिस डजंट कंटेन एनी काइंड ऑफ अल्कोहल, विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. इट कंटेन्स ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड, सो समटाइम्स you can feel some kind of burning sensations on your face when you use this toner, but जो burning sensation है वो केवल थोड़े टाइम के लिए रहती है, कुछ seconds के लिए you will feel that burning sensation, but after some time it will be okay, and that's actually okay because it contains glycolic acid, तो उसी की वजह से वो burning sensations होती हैं, so that is totally fine. And it's a very nice hydrating toner, बहुत अच्छे से hydrate कर देता है skin को. The skin feels very fresh and nourished whenever I use this toner, and it provides a very nice brightening effect as well. So I really like this toner. Now the next product I have is this night gel. It's their renewed clarity night gel. So it comes in this kind of cardboard packaging. Again, same outer packaging, and everything is mentioned on this packaging. So this night gel also retails for 575 rupees and you get 50 ml of product in this. The inner packaging of this night gel is really beautiful. So it comes in this kind of glass jar. You can see it's a really beautiful packaging. When you open it, it comes with this protective lid. So you need to actually remove this lid, and here is the product. You can see it looks so yummy. So it has a very nice gel consistency to it. So it's a gel based moisturizer and it has a very nice thick gel kind of consistency. So you can see this is how it looks, and it's very easy to apply this moisturizer. And you can see बहुत ही easily absorb भी हो जाता है, and since it's a gel based moisturizer, बहुत ज़्यादा heavy feel नहीं होता है skin पे. It's very light, so that's why it's very good moisturizer for oily skin people. Because on oily skin, if you use cream based moisturizer, वो काफ़ी heavy हो जाते हैं, but since it's a gel based moisturizer, it's not at all heavy and बहुत ही easily absorb हो जाता है face पे और बहुत अच्छा सा फ्रेश फील देता है, बहुत ही नरिशिंग है, बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग है. इट माइट नॉट बी इनफ फॉर ड्राई स्किन पीपल, but this will be a very good moisturizer for oily and combination skin. I have a combination skin, so I use this moisturizer as my nighttime skincare routine. I don't use this one as my night cream because as a night cream मुझे और ज़्यादा heavy moisturizer apply करना पसंद है, तो I use this as a moisturizer in my nighttime skincare routine. Next product I have is this green tea sunscreen gel. This comes in this kind of outer packaging. Again, similar packaging and all the details are mentioned here. So this sunscreen retails for 575 rupees and you get 50 ml of product in this. So this is how it looks from inside. This also comes in this squeezy tube packaging. So if you follow me regularly, you might already know that this is one of my favorite sunscreen to use. It has a very nice gel kind of consistency to it. So this is how it looks. So it has a very nice gel kind of consistency. तो ये बिल्कुल भी हैवी फील नहीं होता है फेस पे. अगर सनस्क्रीन क्रीम बेस्ड होते हैं ना तो थोड़ा हैवी फील होते हैं फेस पे, एंड आई डोंट एक्चुअली एंजॉय दोज काइंड ऑफ सनस्क्रीन. बट इसकी जो कंसिस्टेंसी है वो बहुत ही लाइट है, एकदम जेल काइंड ऑफ कंसिस्टेंसी है, तो बहुत इजीली अप्लाई हो जाता है, बहुत इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन के ऊपर और बिल्कुल भी हैवी फील नहीं होता है. तो दैट्स वाई आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई नेवर फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई द सनस्क्रीन बिकॉज इसको अप्लाई करके हैवी फील नहीं होता है. तो आई एंजॉय दिस सनस्क्रीन एक्चुअली, एंड इट डजंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ वाइट कास्ट टू इट, विच इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी गुड थिंग. सो द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट आई हैव इज दिस ग्रीन टी फेस मास्क. So this also comes in this kind of outer packaging, and again all the details are mentioned on the outer packaging. So this face mask retails for 490 rupees and you get 60 gram of product in this. So this is how it looks from inside. Again, the packaging of this face mask is also really beautiful. It comes in this glass jar and all the details are mentioned on the inner packaging as well. And it comes with this white lid, and when you open it, it also has this protector here which you need to take out, and this is how the consistency looks like. So it has a very nice pleasant smell to it. So when you apply this face mask on the face, तो जो fragrance है इसके अंदर वो बिल्कुल भी bother नहीं करेगी आपको, because it has a very nice pleasant smell to it. And जो consistency है इस face mask की बहुत ज़्यादा thick नहीं है, it's kind of a thin consistency only, so it's very easy to apply the face mask all over the face. बहुत अच्छे से spread हो जाता है and बहुत अच्छे से easily apply हो जाता है. So this face mask contains natural clays in it that actually absorbs any kind of oil you have present on the skin, and face काफ़ी clean feel होता है whenever I use this face mask. बहुत ही clean और बहुत smooth face feel होता है face. It removes any kind of texture you have on the face, तो बहुत ही smooth and clean feel होता है face. It's recommended to apply this face mask and leave it for 20 minutes or something for that nice glow and fresh feeling on the face. It's also very easy to take off this mask, and it leaves the skin little dry. Since it has clay, so it's obvious that it will leave the skin a little dry whenever you are using this face mask. But बहुत ज़्यादा dry नहीं feel होती है skin, एकदम एकदम tight and एकदम dry feel नहीं होती है, but it will dry out your skin a little bit. Overall, I'm really liking this mask and I'm enjoying it a lot. So guys, those were all the products I tried from this green tea range of Plum, and I liked all the products, these products have worked really well for my skin. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. And don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.